So this is an empty box, and in today's episode I want to create, and you guys will get to see it and be with me, create a special mystery box that I am sending out to our collaborator. So I recently announced a collaboration with Paolo Tomenes. He is a fellow Filipino YouTuber, talks about sneakers, thrifting, ukay-ukay, life in general, now NBA cards. And we did a collaboration between our two labels. So I have Project 71. He has Still Learning Apparel Co. And we're coming out with a shirt which is dropping September 21st on my Lazada shop. So the Project 71 Lazada shop. I'll put a link down below. I'll put pictures of the shirt as well so you guys can see it in this video. And this is just my simple way of thanking him for the hard work that he put in, for the help that he put in, and it's just me of showing my appreciation to him. So if you guys are interested as to how I will put together this really kick-ass mystery box, keep on watching. Let's go! So no sneaker mystery box will be complete without a sneaker. So I know for a fact that Paolo is size 8, but I only have a size 8.5 sneaker over here, and this will be the shoe that we'll be putting in the box. This is the Nike React Element 55 SE. If you guys missed my video yesterday where I unboxed a bunch of sneakers that I got for 50% off the Nike outlet, I'll link down below. But if you haven't seen this sneaker yet, it's a very nice, simple to wear, easy black and silver and white Element React 55. Super comfortable, very versatile. The color lends itself to a variety of outfits, and it's one of those great sneakers that you can just beat up, mess up, bang up, and take with you wherever you want to go. So Pao, this is going out to you, man. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the friendship. Ito, para sa ito, bro. I actually met up with Pao yesterday. We did the shoot for the shirt, and I saw that he was wearing a G-Shock. And since I'm getting into this phase of watches, I thought, might be good to give him a watch, right? So I'm currently wearing, this is the G-Shock GA 2100, also known as the G-Shock Cassie Oak, because it looks like the Audemars Piguet, Royal Oak. And I happen to have an extra one right here. So this one is the Stealth Black color, all black. If you guys want to read or watch my review on my watch channel on this watch, I'll link it down below. This one is the more legible black and white version. So I have an extra one over here. This one sells for a little over 6,000 pesos, I think, if I remember correctly. So Pao, this is going out to you, man. This will be included in your special mystery box. The next two items are built and were made for the current pandemic situation. So the first one is one of the best, most comfortable, most secure face masks that you can buy today. This is the Banale Silver Mask. So the Banale Silver Mask offers triple protection. It has a filter, it has an initial layer, then it has an outer layer. This, friends, is like the OtterBox of face masks. So those who don't know what OtterBox is, they're the heavy-duty protective phone cases. So those are the phone cases that when you throw your iPhone several feet away or several floors down, the phone will survive. And this is that version for face masks. If you want one, I'll link it down below. You can actually buy this from Lazada, one of the best sellers in the last Lazada 9/9 sale. And honestly, it's also one of my go-to masks, especially if you want to feel safe or if I'm going to go out and I know that there will be potentially a lot of people. So since I know that Pao usually goes out to shoot his vlogs, bro, this one is going out to you as well. Now, the last item I will put inside the box, last but not the least, and I really don't know if this works, to be frank with you guys. I don't know the science behind it. I'm actually going to ask a doctor soon if this really helps, but might as well put it in the box. So this is the Cherry Ion. So supposedly it emits 50 million negative ions per centimeter square, I think. So it's supposed to kill airborne bacteria around your person or around your immediate area. So again, I'm not 100% sure if it really works as to the spec, but man, since we have one, I have an extra one. I have 3 actually. I'll include one in the mystery box for Pao. So again, he'll be getting this. He'll be getting the G-Shock Cassie Oak. He'll be getting this really nice silver mask from Banale. I swear by this. OtterBox for your face, guys. As in, talagang fully protected. And then we have, of course, the Element React 55 SE. Okay, so this box is going out to him. Expect maybe a video on his channel, maybe this weekend, of him opening it and reacting to it. But I hope, Pao, if you're watching this, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. I hope you find all of the items here useful. And again, bro, I'll speak in Tagalog. Maraming salamat sa tulong, sa suporta. I'm so proud of you, so happy for you, and excited to see where your career brings you next. Tandaan mo lang lagi, bro, ang mata nakatingin sa langit, pero ang paa natin dapat laging nasa lupa. Stay humble, chin up, and keep on moving forward. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless. What's up?